Well, it was a good day to get up on the tower and install a mesh core repeater on our 88 primary site. That's what's coming up next on LCARA Ham Radio.
All right, so here is a new mesh core node. This is going to be our repeater being installed here at the 88 site. And we'll get more details as we go in here and open it up and show you what's in there. But as you can see, we're here at the 88. And this sucker, let me zoom out, is gonna go up about halfway to the top of that tower. We're gonna put it up about 50 feet off the ground. And that will give us mesh core node access from here. We'll explain some of that later. Okay, here's the guts, the inside. And that's all there is. This is a mesh core repeater node. It's not powered up yet, but it will be shortly after Devin drills a hole in this nice big plastic case, and we go from there. You're being recorded. This is going to be our power source. We're going to run a cable up from way up top there into the shed here, into the site shelter, and then tie it into our existing electrical system. DC, of course. We're not going to try to convert anything. There we go. Just like an old telephone guy. You don't cut those wires off. You just wrap them around. You might use them again.
Yes. There's been many times that I have.
So that's all connected.
And then here is a 12 volt to 5 volt converter.
Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw your text or your message about that.
Yeah.
So that'll help it keep it stabilized so it's not pulling too much. Or I don't think we're gonna have that problem after 50 to 60 feet of wire.
No.
So she's all pretty much ready to go.
I don't like where this line's at, so I'm taking it.
And he's gonna go up just above that antenna to his left. Zoom a little bit. There's an antenna up top there, and that's where he's gonna stop, and he's gonna put this mesh core repeater up there. See if I can zoom it tighter. There we go. And he's working. He's got 2 of the 4 mounting straps on there, so which are stainless steel hose clamps, but it's a special made thing, and it's coming along. Looking good so far.
All right, folks, that's going to wrap up this project. Another resource and that we have for the club and that we can provide for the community. So stay tuned. We'll have more videos to come throughout 2026. Also, please help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. That's our next goal. We're a little over 8,000 as of right now in January. So we'll see you folks in the next video, 73.